Going to see about selection sort. Selection sort is a simple sorting algorithm that divides the input list into two bars. The sublist of items already sorted and the sublist of items remaining to be sorted. It repeatedly selects the smallest element from the unsorted sublist and swaps it with the leftmost unsorted element. This process continues until the entire list is sorted. The selection sort works by dividing the input list into two sublists, sorted and unsorted. The sorted sublist is empty and the unsorted sublist contains all elements. In each pass, selection sort finds the smallest element in the unsorted sublist and swap it with the leastmost unsorted element. Thereby, they expanding the sorted sublist by one element. This process continues until the entire list is sorted. The times complexity of the selection sort is O of n square, where n is the number of elements in the list regardless of the input order. While the selection sort is not efficient as other sorting algorithms like merge sort or quick sort, it is straightforward to implement and perform well on small data sets. Now I will show you the code of selection sort. First, I want to import java.util.arrays. Public class selection sort. Public static void selection sort int of array. First we have int n equal to arr dot length. We perform multiple passes through the list. For that we are going to use for loop. For int I equal to 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. Int min index equal to I. Now finding the index of the minimum element in the unsorted sublist. For that I am going to use another for loop int j equal to I plus 1, I less than j less than n j plus plus. J plus plus. If arr of j less than arr of min index, if is less than, then min index equal to j. After that, now we are swapping the minimum element with the leftmost unsorted element. Int temp equal to arr of I, arr of I equal to arr of min index, arr of min index equal to temp. Like this we will swap. Next we are going to add a main function, public static void main string args int arr equal to 64, 25, 12, 22, 11. System.out.println original array plus arrays.to string arr. Now I'm going to send this array to selection sort, and then system.out.println sorted array plus arrays.to string arr. If I run this, see, we are getting the sorted array 11, 12, 22, 25 and 64. In this, we define a method selection sort that takes an array of integer as input and sort is using selection sort. We use nested loops to iterate through the array and find the index of the minimum element in the unsorted sublist. We then swap the minimum element with the leftmost unsorted element to the expand of the sorted sublist. Finally, we test the selection sort algorithm with a sample array in the main method. Selection sort is simple to understand and implement, but it is not as efficient as other sorting algorithm for larger datasets due to its O(n) square time complexity. However, it performs well on small datasets and is suitable for educational purpose. Thank you.